Okay, so we're recording our first lesson for this year. So self check, crisscross, make sure your knees are facing me. And we're going to be talking about what? What is this on the board? I want you to turn and talk to your partner about what is it that we're seeing up here today. What is it that you're seeing up here? You're talking to your partner. What do you notice about this? Okay, turn around. You can tell me what their partner said. What did your partner say?
They're all different shapes.
These are all different kinds of shapes. Did anyone have anything they wanted to add to what you said? Did your partner say something different?
She said a square versus another square makes a difference.
Okay, there are two squares here. Okay, something else your partner said that's different?
They cover.
Say it a little bit more.
They cover.
They cover all the bottom of the screen. Okay. Something you want to add?
And they're all different colors.
They are all different colors. Something you want to add?
I said about this a lot of them and there's some different size.
Oh, so she said there are a lot of them and they're different sizes. Something you'd like to add?
There's Rumble, then there's the same on the other row.
There's this row and this row. They're mirror images of each other. Same up here, same down here. Last one.
That's drawn different ways.
Shapes can be drawn different ways. Okay, so today we're going to be talking a little bit more. We've talked a little bit already about shapes. I'm going to bring out my pointer. I'm going to sit over here. Oh, yes.
And when there's a triangle facing like this way, it's a rhombus, and a square is a cube.
So we've talked about one-dimensional shapes, right? Or three-dimensional shapes, right? One-dimensional, if they're just one-dimensional, they're what? What did I say about that the other day? If they're just one dimension, they are flat. Nice. High five in the air, catch it. Good answer. If you can kind of grab them, it just so happens that I have we talked about this, for three-dimensional shape right here. Who remembers what this is called? Give me 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3, tell me. Rectangular prism. Add that second part. So let's say it again. Rectangular prism. And this is three-dimensional or one-dimensional? 1, 2, 3, tell me. Three-dimensional. Who can tell me? Because it's three-dimensional because
it makes a rectangle. If you put a rectangle together, it won't make it.
Okay, if you put one rectangle together, it would not make a rectangular prism. Tell me more.
You can hold it.
You can hold it. I could hold a flat object, so let's be careful. Because I could really hold something that's just one-dimensional. But I can grab it all the way around, right, and squish it, and it's not flat. It can move, right? Something you would like to add?
Some shapes are pointy. And if you add two squares together, it makes one.
If you add two squares together, it makes a what? Rectangle, right. Not necessarily a rectangular prism, but a rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to go through and let's see if we can remember, because we've already talked about some of our shapes, and you have done amazing jobs with some of our shapes. Let's talk about our one-dimensional shapes. So this is called, give you 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3, tell me.
Hexagon.
Yeah, let me try it again. 1, 2, 3, tell me.
Hexagon.
What do we notice about a hexagon? Turn and talk. What do you notice about a hexagon?
One dimension. Well, actually, it is 5.
Okay, turn around. I saw lots of great thinking and talking. What I love the most is when you were turning and talking, you were following our classroom criteria for that, right? Everyone was talking about math. Everyone was talking about the shapes. I didn't see one person say, no, 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 no. You respected each other. What a great job. High five in the air, catch it. Nice job, my kindergarten friends. Okay, so what did your partner say?
The hexagon.
I love how I use the name.
The hexagon has 6 sides.
The hexagon says 6 sides. Let's check that out. Let's count them. So here we go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
He's right. Here's a side. We talked about what makes a side. It has to be 1, 2, 3. Tell me. Flat. Nice job. Good remembering. What else did your partner and you talk about?
It's called a hexagon because it has 6 sides.
6 sides means it's a hexagon. Nice. Tell me more.
He said about it has different sides and it goes that way and then it's flat and
Okay, all these shapes are flat.
Not one.
Okay. It's not one what?
Um,
Can you tell me more about what you mean about it's not one? It's not one angle, it's not one side, it's not one face. You want to think about it? Not one angle. Right, look, let's look at those angles. We talked about angles the other day too. We just have to do eyes here, self-check. Self-check. Let's count the angles. 1 point, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle, 5 angle, 6 angle. So there's not just one angle. There's 1, 2, 3, tell me. 6 angles. Tell me something else your partner and you noticed. Let me come back. Something else you and your partner noticed.
There's like a circle attached to
It kind of looks like a circle in a way. I can kind of see what he's saying. So if I were to kind of do this without those what? If it didn't have any what? Didn't have any, not any sides, and not any, 1, 2, 3, tell me? Angles or corners. Corners are angles. Can you say angles? 1, 2, 3, tell me? Angles. If it didn't have any angles and any sides, it would be a circle. It would be circular. Self-check. Crisscross. Stack your blocks. Thank you. Last one. Thank you for your hand. I'm sorry. Clear. Speaking clearly and loudly, please. You can't remember, so sorry. She was so patient for such a long time. Okay, so let's look at our next object, our next shape. 1, 2, 3, tell me what it is.
Square.
What makes it a square? Turn and talk, please. What makes it a square? Okay, turn back around. Wow, I heard some great math discussions with your talk and turn. Tell me what you and your partner said.
A square has 4 sides and 4 corners.
Okay, let's count our sides first. The flat lines are our sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the angles, who can tell me again? Remind us, what is an angle? A corner. So here, let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There's 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay, anything different than that? Can't remember again. Okay, so let's move on to our next shape. Okay, I know you know this one because you impressed me. Oh, by the way, I did bring this out for my friend who keeps saying it's a cube. Is this a cube? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
This is a cube. What makes this a cube and makes that a square? What is the difference?
Oh, squares.
What is the difference? Turn and talk.
There's a square shape that like has no stuff. Not flat. There's a you could make it
It's hard to count when you don't touch it. Okay, turn back around. Who can tell me the difference? What makes this a cube and this a square? What makes this a cube and this a square? Oh, okay. He says this one has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And this one has, oh my, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I believe.
No.
Yeah.
He counted one.
Wait, one. Oh, did I count one twice? It's very hard. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 faces, but these would be the sides, right? So it has more than that. So we'll be exploring our 3-dimensionals soon, and I'll let you touch this one later. Okay, something else. Difference between the cube and the square.
That's a cube and not flat. The square.
I love that. A cube is not flat. Look. It rolls all around, right? A square is flat when it's 1-dimensional. So this would be considered what dimension? 1, 2, 3, tell me.
3.
3-dimensional. Nice job. Tell me something else, my friend. He's my cube expert.
All cubes are all squares can be cubes.
If
they can be any they can make if you make them into kind of like a rectangle, and they can make kind of like you can make them, you can use them for a tower and anything.
Let's say this. All cubes have squares. Not all squares are cubes. Let's be careful. Okay, we got kicked out again. Let me just try to get us back up and running.
Probably wants to take a nap.
Okay, so we're going to... Come on. One more try. Someone I think is trying to connect to us, perhaps. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's go on to the next one we can see from here. Okay? We'll go on from here. What shape is this? 1, 2, 3, tell me. What shape is this? 1, 2, 3, tell me.
Trapezoid.
A trapezoid. We talked about trapezoids not that long ago. What is a trapezoid? Turn and talk. What is a trapezoid? Why do you do that? Try to get us going. Turn and talk. What is a trapezoid?
A trapezoid.
There we go. Back up. What is a trapezoid?
If you stick two trapezoids together, make a hexagon. Yeah, but it's not like one. I think it was.
What is a trapezoid? She shared with you. What you shared.
It looks like it's
What is a trapezoid?
yes. Full size yeah. It's
Okay, turn around. Who can share what they talked about? A trapezoid, what do you want to talk about?
A trapezoid has 3 sides and it has 4.
Okay, let's count those sides. Let's count the sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. How many sides does it have?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay, tell me something else about a trapezoid. This group had something. Tell me something. 4 sides, and you told me? 4 angles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 angles, 4 angles. Something else about a trapezoid.
If you stick 2 trapezoids together, it will make a hexagon.
If we were going to stick 2 of those trapezoids together, let me just put my hub in. If I were to stick 2 of these trapezoids together, right here, just wait for it to warm up. There we go. If I were to stick 2 of these trapezoids together, flip one around on its bottom, and stick it back together, we would have what shape? 1, 2, 3, tell me?
Hexagon.
A hexagon. So 2 trapezoids equal a hexagon. We'll be doing something really cool.